what we can do. Let's browse through. Or would it better like if I make these automated schedule thing, right? I need to make this, but yeah, this section. And what else I need to make is this. So there is features, there is reel. Okay, I need to add some. So features we are adding here, plans we have, and we'll just add a footer here, and we'll change couple of icons. But meanwhile, let me just check. Where is it? Not now. Where is the? Yes, it's here. So we'll put it here. Wait, shit. This is started here. Okay. Okay, so anybody is joining, right? People are joining. Yeah, let's just wait for people to join. Meanwhile, I'll just browse through Twitter and we'll see if there is something interesting happening. Because today's video is, hey, happy life. Welcome, first viewer. Nice. How's your weekend, happy life? What are you doing? Did you enjoy the Saturday gaming stream? I hope it was fun for you. Hey Blinken, welcome back, man. Welcome back. Sorry for the evening live fiasco. I don't know what happened there in the evening, but yeah, so I think my internet dropped for some reason. Saturday was fun. Yeah, it was really fun for me as well. Did I lose connection? Yeah, I don't know. Like maybe it was the internet connection, but after that it was just, it stopped working for me. Code Crusader, yo bro, experience something in my ex. Twitter, Saturday was fun. Me too. Okay, so I think Twitter is down. I thought like my internet connection is having some issue, but I guess Twitter is down. We can check it via Twitter status. I think there are Twitter status. Oh, what's happening? Is everything down today? Is it down right now? Twitter.com. Checking Twitter. Down. Twitter is down for everyone. So generally Twitter is the platform where I go and see if any other service is down. But when Twitter is down, well, everything becomes a problem. Okay, so we have 4 people. Interesting. So I will start today. So in this Monday stream, I wanted to make it like a theme-based video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on Cursor and Windsurf together to make this landing page. And this landing page is the meme-a-thon landing page. And give your feedback on this page, which is the post handle's new revamped landing page, which is called V2. It's still in works. So what I have done is I have added like post handle, reels handle, TikTok handle, like that. And then you have a start now action button. There is a small video which just loops on playing, showcasing how the app would work. Then there are these feature segments. Then there is the pricing. So initially I am putting out pricing like this, 20 videos per month. And then I want to add like UGC avatars because that is something which I need for my businesses. And then generate AI viral hooks, create your own AI avatar. This one, I'll keep it removed for now. Yeah, it's better if I should remove it now only. Okay. What is the cursor is doing? So in cursor, I just need to remove this part, right? So create your, so this line we don't need. And yeah, this line we don't need. So yeah, this is good enough for now. What is happening here? Blinken, Saturday was fun. Yeah, it was fun, man. Me too. No, same. Now I'm also experiencing something. Yeah, Twitter is currently down. Everything caches. Yo. Shubham, yo, I'm late. Hey, Shubham, you're not late. I just started 5 minutes back. Blinken, I followed your advice on validating a SaaS ID. I created an Instagram for my app and I'm currently running an ad for 5 days of $50 total. I have got 170 followers so far. Interesting. Very nice, Blinken Codes. All the best, man. Keep updating about this on this stream. This also inspires me. Shubham, new studio. No, this is the same old studio. What did you find new here? So there was the light on the back earlier, which is today not running because I have packed all my stuff as I'm leaving tomorrow morning at around 7 a.m. So yeah, tomorrow night stream might happen or might not. I will try to do it because I'll be at my home, and this will be like my last Goa stream. So yeah, I'm looking at the whole studio. So yeah, last stream from Goa. And some early signups on my site for updates. It's exciting. Awesome. Awesome. Varun, hey. Shubham, camera angle. Is it the camera angle is weird? Wait. I think this light is falling on my wall a lot though. I don't know. I didn't change anything. I just removed. There was a bag earlier here, which is removed now because that's what I'm packing my gadgets in. Hey Varun, welcome back, man. Varun, I did a small beach stream which I promised long back, but it was only for 10 minutes, and I think Blinken joined there. There were like almost 20 people who joined, but my internet connection suddenly like went out. I don't know what happened. Did you check Manus? Yeah, I checked Manus, man. Manus, I'm on the wait list. I'm waiting for it. It's crazy. But the another thing which I was checking about Manus is they are using browser based first of all, and there are like someone like reverse engineered it, and they found out it's just Claude LLM with 29 tool calls and using browser base. So yeah, I mean, it's not rocket science, but again, it's similar to what Cursor does, right? There is no other tool than Cursor. They are doing it so beautifully at this point. I missed Saturday stream. Yeah, it was very fun, Varun. Maybe next time, if you do it, you can join. Mularam, so let's meet tomorrow in Goa if you have free time. Mularam, actually, I'm leaving tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. early morning. So yeah, I think this will be my last day in Goa. Blinken, I saw a video for Manus earlier and it was interesting. Yeah, even I was super excited with that. I sent a video on Discord. Did you check Manus? You sent a video on Discord about what? I did not check that. Okay, so let's start our, this task. I am going to build 2 landing pages. One with, so Memathon I'm building with Windsurf, and the V2 of post handle I'm building with Cursor. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. Did you check Manus? Hey, hello. Aren't you living in Goa? Yes, I'm living in Goa right now. Isn't your permanent home? Goa is not my permanent home. Goa is like, I moved here. I'm on a rented apartment. Anyone you can watch. Okay, open Manus. I tried. Yeah, I mean, any new software launches and then there is an open version of it. It's so easy these days to create software, man. I sometimes feel, are we spending our time on the right thing? Such kind of doubts creep in. But yeah, very interesting. Let's go and start working on our Windsurf. So this has updated. One of the problem is if I commit something here, I'll have to commit it there as well. So what I have done is in Cursor, I have changed this. So one of the thing is the plan I'm thinking basic is like $9. Initially, it will be free, guys. For all of you, it will be free. I'm not gonna charge for feedback time because there will be like feature building which will happen after our Memathon. So another thing is this is all AI created automatically. I do not want to look into that, but I can just tell it to maybe just create a section like this. Okay, Cursor will say make a footer section like this with proper icon images for our landing page in V2, and make sure it's a separate component which is added to the landing page. Okay, so meanwhile it will start working on it. It's a video on UI, like the UI I made. Okay, did you post it on a PR or directly messaged me? Okay, I saw it. So it looks like this in the web browser. This is desktop app. So both are looking same right now. Okay, so I'm not very sure what this is. MKV, this is not running. Is it MKV will not run here? Okay, it's running here. So this is you have updated the landing page, right, Shubham? This looks very interesting. And then you go recent. Wow, we have done the whole parallax thing. I mean, it looks super interesting, but this is a web app, I guess. Yeah. So we will not have a web app for our project, but this looks very interesting as a landing page though. We can put some design like this for our landing page. Very nice work in the web browser. This is desktop app. But yeah, I think there is some misunderstanding on how you want to go ahead with it. This is a desktop app, so we want the UI to be desktop friendly, like any other desktop app. Yeah, meanwhile it's working on this. Let's ask Windsurf to, let's update our Memathon landing page. What do we want to add in our landing page here? So we have the prizes, we have the rules, and we have the frequently asked questions. And then, are we missing anything here? Let's see. I have the okay, so I think I have created this element earlier. I'm just looking at it. Is the bottom there is a background color which we do not want, so I can tell it cancel. Please remove the background color on the component. Okay, Shubham, if you like the UI, keep UI UX. Yeah, kind of. Bangalore. Yeah, exactly. I was asking that. So now I don't have any work. Let's see. I will probably complete the desktop version now. Awesome, Shubham. Thank you so much, man. And maybe ping Varun on the Discord channel, and you both can collaborate on that product feature. I might work on it this week. Again, so many things are happening, and I'm like not getting time. But yeah, I mean, you guys are kicking it here very nicely. So yeah. What is your, I was confused in the desktop and folder. Okay. Umesh, bro, what's the timer web app? This is called Sessions Pomodoro, Umesh. And what happened to your football today? Did you play your football game? It's becoming hot now. Okay, let's cool it off. Please remove the background color on the component footer. Exam, I am planning to create a web app using DeepSeek only. How come? How come you're building with DeepSeek? So there is a product which has feature, pricing, documentation guide, about, contact, blog, careers. We do not want blog and careers. Remove blog and careers from the footer. What else we need? Remove blog, careers, and we will not add is about. We can remove contact, we can keep. Privacy we need. Cookie policy we don't need. Compliance we right now don't need. Features, pricing is fine. Documentation we don't need, and guides we will not. I think this is good. Today is pre-Holi celebration in our college. Oh wow, enjoy. Yeah, I'm also going to celebrate Holi with the family. Okay, where is my landing page? Memathon landing page. Got it. I wanted to make few things here. So one of the thing which I like about Cursor is the way it just does everything in one shot, but it's slow. I don't know if you guys are facing that slowness in your building process, but I'm feeling it a lot. Post handle watermark.png. Okay, this is not what we need. I think we can put, there is images, we have a favicon image. Okay, Gotham. Hey Gotham, hello. Blinken, I was late on this week's YouTube video. I ended up posting it last night instead of Saturday. Being a content creator with a full-time job plus side project is hard. Tell me about it. Yeah, my video is pending for last 2 weeks, and the next video which I'm making is super interesting. I just wrapped up all the shooting of it. So it's been shot at a beach, it's been shot at this room, and it's been shot like my screen. And this is like a bunch of compilation of all these things, because the story which I'm building around it, it very, you know, the whole thing is, it's I'm like trying an experiment, and I want, like, I'm like creatively very invested in this, and this video will be really, really nice. And this video is sponsored by Cloudinary, but they have like it's not for Cloudinary. It uses Cloudinary in the whole process, so they thought like it's a good idea if they sponsor this. So I will share it. I'll just have to edit it now. Tomorrow I'll be on the flight. I don't know if I will get time. Yeah, I don't think, because flights and all, the traveling day just keeps me so much, drains my energy so much that I do not feel like doing anything. So yeah, tomorrow I'll be just reading my Kindle. But yeah, I'm planning to release it. The deadline I gave to myself was 10th today, and so I missed it. And let's see if by 12th I can release it. Code Crusader, throughout VS Code extension or using cursors, change the default into DeepSeek. Okay. Do share how your experience with that is. Can you check the Discord? Yes, sure. What's happening in Discord? Dev. Wait, let's Shubham, I already done main screen UI Figma. After that I have a lot of work this day, so I'm unable to start it. Can you send it to me, the file, or just tell me, Varun, drop your footage? Oh wow, this looks very interesting. So Varun, this is the whole the desktop app working like this. Coffee, add video, create a project. Interesting, very, very interesting, Varun. I love it. By tomorrow I will send file of Figma. Okay, so what I made is a green theme. Can I make the changes? I mean, do you want the plain white theme? We can go something fancy and attractive. I just worked on the main screen and upload. I mean, guys, I think like initially it's okay. Like if the designs are not like perfect, I mean, it's much better than I expected, to be honest. Here they're looking like, the core aspect of the project is its functionality. Once it's functioning, working, and we can use it, then updating the UI and putting as much time as you want on the UI, that's fine. But initially I think it's just a, you know, distraction if we just stick to UI, in my opinion. And this one we can keep it as a landing page, landing page, because the app, we like it's a simple app, and so yeah, this looks nice for a landing page. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. Yeah, and let me know if you need my inputs on this, but I guess you guys are handling it pretty well so far. Apple experiment. What is that Apple experiment? Tori versus Electron. Right now using Tori on this project because Tori wraps packages your app into a smaller version. I did an experiment. It uses Rust. It's very fast. I think opening time is fast as well. So yeah, that's the only reason I moved to Tori. Otherwise, I have made like multiple Electron apps. First of all, like signing Electron apps is a pain. Then packaging Electron app is a pain. And then the bloat, it is like almost 100 plus MBs, a small app. I don't feel like using it. Rohit, links versus React Native. Oh guys, links. I'm like, I think someone told me in the chat. I think Code Crusader told me in the chat about links, right? So, I mean, I went into a little bit of a rabbit hole of understanding how the architecture of this links is. It's very interesting. So links is built on Vue.js. I doubt it's built on Vue.js. It can render Vue.js views as well. It's built, the whole idea of links is to fix that issue which React Native has with their, you know, the bridge problem where the native view talks to the JS and then the bridge gets overcrowded and then your app becomes sluggish. Links or the ByteDance team has figured out a way by building their own like Rust based engine which runs a background thread completely different and JS thread completely different, so communication can happen natively, and which solves that main issue of React Native. I mean, that's also not a major issue right now in React Native because React Native have also moved to a newer Hermes engine which kind of has solved that issue. It was a problem earlier. Now there are like proper animations can happen on React Native, but there is still an issue with React Native. Like when you open a React Native app, the initial load time is there, which is even there in my iPhone 15 Pro. So with this, that smoothness or that native feel can be achieved with links. Why I would not jump on links right now is because of lack of community. Once it starts to grow and once we see a bigger community being built around it, then maybe we can start dabbing into it. And another thing is because, you know, all the LLMs and AI, they do not know about links. So, well, most of it will have to be done by ourselves. The good part is it is still the rendering can happen with the, you know, the React based code, the views and everything look similar to what React Native has. So not a lot of learning is required. It's just you swap it as a library compared to React Native and you're good to go. So yeah, I'm rooting for links based on the things they have built natively to improve the function, the smoothness of the apps. It can react as well. Yes, I think that's the main USP of links. And I know why they have used Vue as well here. Otherwise, if it would be a US company, they would have ignored Vue because Vue.js is the most famous framework in China. It's built by a Chinese person. So, and it's very, very famous in China. And there is a whole story behind it, why Vue got popular in China. And so, and ByteDance is a Chinese company. All the developers working on it or using it are Chinese initial users. So it made the, like, I think it makes perfect sense that they have given an integration for Vue. But if they want to make it popular on the Western side of the world, like US, and so in that case, they will have to give support for React because React is very famous on this side. Code Crusader. In a hackathon, I faced similar experience. I created a plant identifier web app, but it was simple, moderate UI, but competitor created a kind of similar app, but he gave importance. He got lost. Exactly. Functionality is the most important thing. UI comes later. UX comes, UI comes later. Functionality. Is it working? Is it doing what it says? Umesh, bro, what is Electron? Electron is a framework to build Mac desktop apps. Their double-threaded architecture might be faster. Yes. It is faster. I mean, it's faster than React Native. Code Crusader. The Chinese government passed a law about compulsory AI education from primary school itself. I mean, we all need AI education now. Rohit, but Expo has done so much for the ecosystem, it's hard to move on from it. Exactly. So the whole React Native ecosystem is so huge that, I mean, anyone competing with it would would need a lot of, you know, things to share, not just like saying, okay, it runs up a little bit faster. Because a developer like me, I would never move to links because it makes the app a little bit faster. I don't want little bit faster. I want like extreme fast. I mean, like, it just, you know, how I compared between Tori and Electron. In Electron, an app is 160 MB, Hello World app. In Tori, it's 6 MB. So it's a huge difference. And this made me realize, okay, maybe Tori is the right choice. If something comes up like that on React Native versus links, then I will be thinking about it. Not just because it's a new framework and they're saying it's a little bit faster. Shivanshu, hello Shivanshu. Prithviraj, hello, kya haal? Hey Prithviraj, welcome man, welcome back again today. Hey bro, very busy day for me nowadays. Hey Vishnu, welcome. What's happening in your life? Meme, do you live somewhere around beach area? Meme, I tried that because I promised on the chat, I think 2 weeks back, that I will be doing a beachside live video. And today was my last day in Goa. So I thought, well, let's try it today. I tried it. I think maybe 20 people joined, Blinken joined, and then my internet, like, I don't know what happened. It stopped working. So it was a sweet 10 minutes of nothing. Busy day, man. Shift just ended. I actually work 12 hours a day. Talk about toxic. Oh, wow, man. 12 hours is a lot. Even like when I sit on this chair for 12 hours, I feel like I need rest for next 2 days. Take care, man. Take rest as well. Vishnu, lab exam project record and also my grandfather. Oh shit, I'm really sorry to hear that, Vishnu. Hope you are doing well. Court Crusader, I recently visited in Marmagao. Marmagao is nearby. Varun, I think React Native is a more community driven framework compared to other. It is my opinion. Exactly. React and React Native, they have like gone out of the hand of the creators now. The community handles everything in it. Hello, have you seen Manus? Yes, Akhil, I did see Manus. Very interesting. Very interesting. I was just talking about it, that someone reverse engineered Manus agent and they found out it's using Claude on the backend, like it's using Claude, plus there are 29 tools. Now what those 29 tools are still not clear, but they are using a set of tools to create these agentic behavior, and the browser is the browser base. So if you can create 29 different kind of tools with browser base, with Claude LLM, I think you can have a Manus. But the way they have packaged it, the whole UX of it, it's interesting. And I mean, there will be a lot more companies like that popping up very soon. Because the core idea is it's not like that DeepSeek moment. I think their marketing team has done a pretty good job of marketing them. The demos are cool. But to be honest, a lot more companies will be coming exactly doing the same thing what Manus is doing. Umesh, bro, from where you learn how to code and tell your journey concisely? It's a long journey, man. It's been 12 years now, 11-12 years. So yeah, where do you learn from code? I learned mostly, I'm like self-taught, always learned by myself, building projects. I wanted to make something and then I learned it. Code Crusader applied for early access. Yes, me too. I'm waiting for their, like, then I'll have better answers to share. Vishnu, Code Crusader fuck up, bro. Project I'm cloning from GitHub. I don't know I'm going to get passed. I think my 3 year went to waste. It's okay, Vishnu. It's okay. It's just college, man. Just chill. Give your, give your best, but do not take, do not get over stressed on these things. Hey, mommy is there. Thank you, mom. Yugi, hello. Tomorrow is my English exam. Say all the best. Dil se. All the best, Yugi. And this is from Dil se. Prototype. What is prototype, guys? What's this? Okay, guys. I need some help here. Focus. I need some help. Help me with, like, are we missing anything on this page? Do you think is it good enough for our launch? Except for the copy. I will update the copy. I mean, also we need to update the prices. So I'll just set some prices. And I was checking if I want to give a good price, how about like tell me. So this is a Android phone which I have, which I do not use anymore, and I'm thinking to give it a giveaway on this memathon. This is an Asus Zenfone, but I only have one, so I'm thinking I'll put this as the price one. It's pretty expensive, I think almost 40-50k when I bought it 2 years back, but now it works perfectly. Make it cheap, $5 to $10. You mean what? The prices? Yeah, I used to watch Broda. I'll watch Broda soon. Waiting to exam 2 year. Okay, some other conversations are happening. Guys, let me know if this is fine. Like giving this Zenfone, I don't use it. This was my, testing Android device. And I don't think I'll need to test Android anytime soon. The emulator on my system works pretty fine. And in case I need, I will buy some good Android phone. This one, because of that OS which it has, I don't use it. How to win phone? Lol. Yugi, you just have to participate in memathon, which is launching on 15th of this month. So once you participate in it, you have to just create content using this product and just publish anywhere you want. And you can, the good part is you can create as many videos you want. I mean, limited per user. I think I'll give like 20 videos per user. Give me motherboard. It's not like what you call wish, ask a wish kind of thing. I'm thinking incoming call. Okay, I'll put it up later. Someone is calling me. Is the app free, bro? Yes, the app is free for the memathon user. Anyone who wants to participate in the memathon, they get to create 10 videos per user, and I'm like 10 videos is enough, right? So yeah, initially 10 videos. What I want from this memathon to happen is I need to get like 100 memathon participants, and the content they create, it should give me at least 100,000 impressions. By impression, I mean the content which the participants create should reach to at least 100,000 users. So there should be 100,000 views overall combined. This is my basic target to achieve with this memathon, so that 100,000 people get to know what post handle is. I don't want them to use it. I don't want them to pay for it. I just want them to know that this kind of project exists. Bro, phone is too much. Is the app free, bro? Yes, it is. Just give me Cursor. Cursor is the third winning prize. 1 month of Cursor for 3 winners. Bro, can you explain the rules of memathon? Like we have to do promotion. You just have to create content, not promote anything. Just create content with post handle. Simple as that. Once you create on any of these 3 categories, yeah, that's it. Happy life. Will you open source just the landing page of memathon? I am noob at front end. You want the landing page of this? I can give it like once it's live and like we are closed for the memathon. This is not a proprietary landing page. I just talked to Cursor to make this. 0 degree. You are a genius, man. What? Thank you so much. But for what? Are you teaching marketing? Code Crusader. Is it marketing? I mean, like I'm trying to get to certain number of viewership about my app, so that I do not just keep building on this cave alone. I want real users to know that okay, this kind of thing exists out there. It's a web app for Windows or Mac, right? Bring in codes. This is a web app. It runs on anywhere like Mac or Windows. Yeah. What's the memathon website URL? Can you put it on Discord? I can, but it's not live yet, Vishnu. So there are a lot of things which I'm still working on. So if you go to posthandle.com memathon, here. Shubham, so I have to come third anyhow. Have you seen that meme where this kid, they ask him, what do you want to become when you grow up? He said, I want to become the Prime Minister of India and I want to make India second in the world. He said, why second? He said, because that's what I want. It's 0 degree. You know how to build great apps and marketing that as well. I mean, I'm trying to market it. I think this is really challenging things where developers lack. This is marketing side. We have registered now or on 15th. Yeah, I mean, 0 degree. That's the thing, man. Like, I have struggled with this a lot, that not talking about what I'm building. And in the cave, I have built so many things. They never reach to the real users. And then, you know, you lose motivation with time. This time I'm like thinking, okay, initially we are launching, let's have initial users who start using it. So we have a warm up, like every day I can come to these sessions where we talk about how many users are using it, how many videos we have created. It will feel good, right, when the content created for our app is going out. So that's the core idea of it. It's not to, you know, gain initial paid users right now. Payment will come later once the product is polished and is really providing a value. We have to register now or on 15th. I mean, it will not work now. Like if you click on register now, nothing will happen. So this I will make it live on 15th only. All the register now rules. So there are rules which are currently just created with, you know, with AI. So these are not even the rules. I'll have to go through this, copy and update it. This email doesn't exist. Also the Q&A, I don't know what it has updated. So this also doesn't exist. There is this prizes, which I'm currently talking to you. So let me know what are the prizes you are thinking. Memathon presented by PH 0 degree. Yes, it is provided by PH. When Dream AI will launch. Okay. Can you just close the pull request? Oh, you want me to close it? Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do it. Yes, bro, marketing is tough. Exactly. Happy Life, Lamau. The difference between first prize and third prize is like premium and premium plus 1x. So Happy Life, you guys, okay, let me take a poll, right? Start a poll. Asus Zen phone as prize 1. My phone, not brand new. Just tell me, is it a good idea to put it as the first prize? But there will be only one first prize, and then there will be 3 second prize and 3 third prize. So third prize, I'm thinking of keeping cursor premium for 3 users, 1 month. I have not decided on second prize. So what could be the second prize? I need 3 prices, decent amount. I'm thinking, so we are already spending $60 here. So let's spend $120 on this. So it will be like around $200. The whole memathon can. Is it a good idea? And I'm thinking, okay, so there will be a leaderboard, right? Let's ask Windsurf to create a leaderboard. Can you create a leaderboard in the bottom of memathon, which will show all the latest entries? Make it as a separate component and add to the page. It should have the rank like 1, 2 with username, the content link, and engagement rate written on it with views, likes, and comments. Let's see what it cooks. would love to see one compile video as well of post handle, how it started, just like AI reels. It's give me inspiration when you get time. Yes, 0 degree, will do. I have created a couple of videos from it. It's a bit different than what auto AI reels does. So it's like this, you see. So this is created from this post handle only. And right now there is a issue with rendering. That's why I'm like, I need to fix that. That is one of the pending tasks this week. Chirag, what is Memathon? Chirag, so this is a kind of hackathon which we are doing, and this will, you can read more about it here. So this is what Memathon is. You have to create a meme using posthandle.com, and once you create this, it will be, and you get the maximum like engagement rate, like likes, views, or anything on your content which you create from post handle. You can then participate on this. Like you just had to share where you have published it, and that's it. And if you win, like if you get the maximum views, you get to win a mobile, and here will be your rank mentioned. And this will be like a live leaderboard. Likes plus comments divided by views into 100. So we have this formula for the engagement rate as well. It's now, bro, which is better, Cursor or Windsurf? Both are 10 USD per month. Both are 10 USD now? What? I'm paying $20, man. Cursor pricing. What Cursor is doing? I'm paying $20 for Cursor. What? Yeah, it's $20. Who's giving it at $10? But yeah, I'm getting Windsurf for 10, and it's still like for now they have increased it to 15. And if you're asking me, I would definitely say Cursor is better, because I am a old user of Cursor. Cursor is worst sometimes because it stops and it lags. It has more bugs than Windsurf, but the output which it creates are better than Windsurf too. That's like what the hard truth is. I would take a camera, a guitar, or something like that. Maybe in the next Memathon, once we have like thousands of users, paying users. Phone, I have a good phone. Shubham, S24 Ultra. Oh, nice. So you might not need. So you have to come third, Shubham. Definitely. Happy life. So in total, there will be 7 to 8 winners. So yeah, there will be 7 winners. 3. So only 1 first winner, 3 second winners, and 3 third winners. Is that make sense? So I'm getting like 13 votes of 62%. Perfect. 50th feature on 0 paid user app was so real. Yeah, these are the kind of memes which you have to create with post handle and publish them and then win a phone. I would take a property in Goa. Nice, Rohit. Let me know once you take a property in Goa. I just need a new mouse. So should we make the second prize as a mouse? But the budget is $120 for 3 people, which is like $40. Anything under in $40, which I can give to 3 people. That's our second prize. Hind, hello. I know I am late, a bit busy today. What are you guys talking about? Please tell me. Hey Hind, welcome man. And thanks for Saturday. We are just building the 2 landing pages. Also give me some feedback on this, guys. This is the new version 2 landing page of post handle. I kept it minimal with least information provided on the page, with like just the video, how it works. Then there is this features and this the pricing plan. Mularam, for new users, I think Windsurf is best, at least for non-coders user who don't know about code. Is it? Aren't they both the same? Like, what is so different on Windsurf which you feel is better for new coders? Okay, so it's 20. Yeah, I need to come third to come third. Yes. Your wardrobe has some really good shirts. Thank you. I got this recently from some Instagram ad, but I'm liking it. I like these colorful shirts. Rohit, so I meant as a prize in Memathon. Oh, you need a prize? Land in Goa. Yeah, let me know. Let me know if any of such competitions are happening. I would definitely take part in it and try to win. See if I win Cursor. I will give a good landing page to you as a gift. Yeah, Shubham. So there is no internal trading happening here. This is internal trading. This will be probably based on merits, which will show up here. Okay, this is perfect. Keep all. In the leaderboard, can you add a live mark next to leaderboard to display like it's live? It get all file context without telling, like just we can tell analyzing full source code of this application Windsurf, but in Cursor we need to give add files. Ularam, my experience has been a little bit different. I feel Cursor gets a better context compared to what Windsurf has, and Windsurf has improved a lot in the recent times, but as my project is growing, I can see Cursor performing a lot more better, getting more context, better results, more less breaking code which it's creating compared to Windsurf. Windsurf is fast though, because Windsurf Cursor is very slow for me. That's the only complaint from my side to Cursor team. And with Cursor, I get your point. One thing can happen is because nowadays Cursor has created this new rules problem, right, where you have to create a .cursor folder. Inside that you create a rules folder, and then you can write as many rules as you want, which is creating an issue. I was reading a Reddit thread, someone mentioned that people are writing so many rules now they think their context window is reduced, and they were complaining to the Cursor team that now have you reduced the context window in the latest versions. But the reason is because these users are adding so many rules in their file, so much content, and rules are taken as a first priority in your prompt. So whenever you write a message, your rules takes the highest precedence. It should be there on your prompt, and that's why your whole context reduces a bit. And I think someone from the Cursor team mentioned that they will now show how much the context has been taken, which client does. If you use VS Code client extension, it shows the context, how much context it's taking. So which will help us to know how much context is being sent right now with this query. Maybe you try to reduce it based on what you're trying to do, break it down into smaller chunks. I think in overall a better UX. Man, please share the Instagram ID of shirt seller. I'll check who was it. I'm a so random buyer. I just see, okay, this looks good. I just bought it. It's on the door. I'll have to check the tag here if it's a proper authenticated store. Shubham, okay, so smuggling of Cursor is not allowed. No. Sorry, I have to go again. We'll be back. Okay, see ya. How will you get the likes, views, comment, etc. for the leaderboard? That's a very good question, Blinken. So what I'm thinking is I'll create a link, like paste your link kind of board here. Wow, I like this live. Where once you submit your link of Instagram specifically, then I have a backend API which can fetch data about any post. I don't know if Instagram will block it, but let's see. If we have only 100 users, it can work. And then I can get this data. And similarly, I have to do the same thing for others as well. Or another thing which I'm thinking is I will use some sort of an agent. I'll just send, hey, check how many likes this post has. And if they are public post, it will work. So I'm thinking, because this will be harder if people post Twitter. For Twitter also we can update it. Or maybe I need some help from someone to update it manually as well. I'll have to give it a thought, because I definitely need this leaderboard, because it creates this sort of, a live view, okay, how much my content is doing, and you get into this competition zone, and which gives me some, energy of building it. Like, hey, this looks cool. Leaderboard. Like, if I would be participating in this, I will participate in this memeathon. I would be very interested to see how much my content is doing. Kirti Narayan, what's up, bro? Hey, Kirti, welcome, man. How are you doing? Snap. Long time. How's your learning going on? Mularam, yes, whole workspace, but it may be experience based, depends on person to person. Yes. I will give you 5 really nice landing pages. Okay, Shubham. Now we are doing bargaining. View all entries. Is it better if we just show 10 here? That's the best, right? Just show 10. Who made the thumbnail, bro? So I'm you know what, I talked to like my this weekly goal was that I told my AI agent, which I generally do on every week, that hey, I think my views on my lives are stagnating at a point. So AI told me, do one thing, do an experiment where you play with your thumbnail and your titles this week. Let's see if it works. So this is the experiment for the week. I'll be posting such crazy thumbnails this whole week on my lives. Let's see if our views increases or any change we notice. If it does, then we will spend more time on it. If not, we'll go back to a normal and we'll try another experiment. Thumbnail is fire. Thank you guys. Thank you. We like it. But you are not allowed to win prizes. Yeah, obviously. I'll not win the prizes. I just want to be part of this. Because I'll be making a lot of memes. I love making video memes. Like 3 and 4 are lying here only on my screen here. Oh no, this is for my brother. So one was here. One is here. Oh no, not this. This was a broken one. I think I deleted them, but I created like 5-6. Experiment worked then. We don't know yet. I don't know, like if there are more viewers coming. I mean, how many views do we have so far? So 12 watching and 12 likes. Interesting. Guys, please like if anybody who has not liked it. I saw a t-shirt over the weekend that I want. It said, I know HTML, how to meet lady. Yeah, I've seen that when I was in college. But yeah, Blinking codes, you will look dope wearing that. We want a picture of you. Wow, Blinken, I would love that. Okay, so we have a live leaderboard. Let's add one more thing on this, which is, add input box below. What is that? Wait, below the landing page title, which says paste your link to rank. See your rank. Add an input box below landing page. Paste your link to see your rank. And what? And remove this. Let's see. I'm just introvert and I don't like to lead. I want that video meme of adding 50th feature. Please share it with me. Meme soup, where do you want it to me to send it? I can send it just now. It's so this is me, guys. This is me only sitting every day here, coming, adding new features, new things, and with 0 paid user. So I'll just post it on meme if you are there. Where is the meme page? Wow, we have a lot of pages now. It's becoming too complex at this point. Okay, so I have shared it on meme channel, memes book. If you want, you can just download it directly from there. It was on the TV show Silicon Valley. One of the character was wearing it. I love Silicon Valley. One of my favorite comedy shows of all time. So I updated from Tori V2. Okay. Should I put up a pull request? You can. For regarding what? Like, what are the changes in it? So this is easy. So this is now officially the price of Memathon. Asus Zenfone 3. Is it 3, 4? I don't know. And it will not come in its box. I don't have the box for it. And I will ship to anyone who wins to their address. They'll not have to pay anything. And there is no charger as well. It's a USB-C. But I'll see if I can put any charger because I have like hundreds of charger lying. So yeah, there will be charger, but not of Asus for sure, because I'll have to find where this Asus charger is. So it's a phone with a cover. There's a solid cover, and well, that's about it. This is the first prize of Mimathon. I'm happy. One thing is sorted. I just started it. No spoilers, please. Yeah, you will love it. You will love it. Okay, paste your link to see your rank. Check rank. Interesting, guys. What do you think about it? I feel it's super cool, right? Already? What else we can do here? So there's an engagement rate which is coming. I uploaded Tori V2. Okay, so that's a pull request. Okay. Makes sense. So to make this work, this in itself is a, is a whole feature which I have to build, because users can have many type of links which they want to paste. What I'm thinking is to make it easier for me initially, whatever link you paste, if it's an Instagram link, Instagram SDK I already have in my backend. So when you click here, I can get the content, put it on the leaderboard directly. If it is any other link, I will put it on our dashboard where I will manually go maybe every day, and this will not be live in that case. It will update like every 24 hours. So yeah, this is it, I guess. Second, keep the price of monitor. I updated. Okay, or a headphone. I'm thinking of headphones. So are there like good $40 headphones? 40 is like 3,000 rupees headphone. 3,000 rupees headphones. How much is this new nothing earbuds? Ear 2. Yes, this one. Oh, it's no, it's expensive, man. Anything in like 3,000-4,000 rupees. I'm thinking some kind of editing software will help if the memers are participated. Oh, okay, you mean we should give editing software as a, but that will kill our product. Post handle is the editing software which is going to be evolved. If our memers are going to use the another one, they're spending their time on that, on the free tool, then we lose the potential user. Calling Larry. Yo, hey Larry, we missed you on Saturday, man. We played this game and Blinken killed me 3 times. So I'm just looking at some, why there is no leaderboard here. So yeah, leaderboard will have to think again, like what we want to add here, right? So for leaderboards, definitely it's a manual process, but we'll have to do it anyhow. Yeah, that's about it. So this Mimathon is kind of done from my side. Now I have to just enable, I have to add this prizes because we are finalized now. If Calling Larry, you just came. So Mimathon's prize is this Asus Zenfone. This is the first prize. Second prize is 3 headphones in a budget. And then the last third prize is 1 month of Cursor ID. But I'm not sure. One thing again, like Cursor ID is not very correct in, because you guys are coders, right? But the people who might participate in this are not coders, and for them Cursor ID doesn't make much sense. So Shubham, if you win, you like, I'll replace your prize for a Cursor ID. But if anybody else wins the third prize, I want to make it like, you know, lucrative. So it's like a general third prize which anyone can use. I finally got another second PC, trying to set it up as dev machine. Yes, I watched some video of the game. I'm sorry I missed it. It's okay, man. We'll do it again next time. It was very fun. Sure did. You stood in a corner camping, waiting for people to. it was the only move I knew in that game. That is the only way I could have come second or third in one game which I came. Snap. So that day I realized, okay, I can never be a game streamer, man. Like, I'm so bad at playing the game versus like when I'm playing, I'm like not looking or watching or talking about anything. Bro, 2 months of cursor, haha. I mean, cursor is good for us, right? For developers, but this competition might go to people who are like not even care about cursor, and then they will like what did we participate for? See ya from site for today. See ya tomorrow. Yeah, I'm also leaving. Happy life. See ya. Have a good night. Shubham, just give sneakers. Sneakers, you mean like shoes or chocolate? That's also 100% valid. And Rodeo Tori, love you. Or I saw that in the video. There was a few doing that. I followed official docs. Okay. Hey, Shubham. For me, you changed the price. My God. Yeah, for you it will be cursor. For someone else it will be. We'll decide on third prize. So I'm going tomorrow. I'll brainstorm with my brother. He might also join the stream. So yeah. Okay, guys. It was a nice session, and this is my last session in Goa for this season. So next I'll see you in home with my cat. So I'll show you guys my cats, Murphy and Bella. Have a good night. I'll see you around. We created this leaderboard, and we have created the footer on this page and updated a little bit of pricing page. So yeah, all good. When expect a 24 hours of stream? Let's see. Maybe this week, and there is a bigger project coming up. I'll share about that as well, but I'm just keeping few things secret. I'll share with you guys. There's a lot of things happening for next month and next to next month, and most of them are very exciting. So yeah, thank you everyone. Have a good night.